Hi everybody, welcome to this week's weekly. This is the regular level with symbol supports. We're talking about growing food at home this week.
News to you. May 11th, 2020. Growing food at home. Many people grow food at home. Most people start growing food in spring. The weather becomes warmer in spring. This spring, more people want to grow food.
So, excuse me, as the weather got warmer, it became spring. So lots of families want to grow their own food.
People are staying home because of the coronavirus. They want to stay away from crowds. People want to go to grocery stores less often. People want to grow food at home instead. Growing food can be fun.
So lots of families have chosen to grow food at home. Now you can't grow cookies and candies and things, but there's lots of good, yummy things that you can grow at home.
First, people choose places to grow food. Many people grow food in gardens. The gardens may be in backyards. Some people grow food in pots. The pots may be on windowsills or porches.
So you can grow food in your backyard, and you can make flower beds or flower beds that you can grow your fruits and veggies in, or you can grow them in pots. There are actually some foods that you can grow indoors as well.
People choose the kinds of food to grow. People may grow vegetables like green beans, corn, peppers, carrots, and spinach. People may grow fruits like blueberries, watermelons, raspberries, strawberries, and grapes.
So you can grow fruits and veggies at home. Carrots, corn, green beans, spinach, blueberries, watermelons, raspberries, strawberries, grapes, potatoes, avocados, any of those kinds you can grow in your own backyard.
People buy seeds to grow the food. They put the seeds into dirt. People pour water onto the seeds. The seeds become plants. The food grows on the plants.
So when you buy your seeds, they come in a small itty bitty little pouch, and then you plant them in the ground, whether it's in pots or flower beds in your backyard. And you water them and take care of them, and they grow plants. And on those plants is where the food grows.
People must wait for the food to become ripe. Ripe means the food is ready to eat. People pick the ripe food. Sometimes people eat the food right away. Sometimes they freeze the food to eat later.
So you have to wait for your plants to actually grow the food. And then when it does, you can pick it off and eat it. Now, some people like to freeze it, can it, give it to other families that might need it. And then also, if you do grow your own garden, you have to deal with little animals coming into your garden and eating your food.
People may use the food to make recipes. Someone may use vegetables to make a sandwich, salad, or soup. Someone may use fruits to make a smoothie, fruit salad, or pie.
So fruits and vegetables have many different uses, but they typically are important for us to eat.
Many people are growing food at home. People are growing food in gardens and pots. The food includes vegetables and fruits. Anyone can grow food. Would you like to grow food?
So it's something that most anyone can do as long as they follow the directions and they can grow their own food. Is that something that you would like to do? You can talk to your parent or supervisor about maybe a potted plant that you would like to grow.
I want to talk to my supervisor.
Seeds.
Things in the news. Seeds. Plants make seeds. People put seeds into dirt to grow. The seeds need water and sunlight to grow. Seeds may grow to become flowers, bushes, vines, or trees.
So your seeds can become lots of different things. Flowers, bushes, vines, trees. They all grow into some type of plant. Places in the news.
Places in the news. Gardens. People grow plants in gardens. People may grow vegetables, fruits, herbs, or flowers. A garden is an area of land. A garden may be big or small.
So you can have a big garden, you can have a small garden, or you could just choose to try, one fruit or veggie to grow and see how it does. Okay, if you have the ingredients, like always, feel free to make it and send us a picture and a video or a message about if you liked the recipe or not. Go ahead and log into Canvas and get your slides done for the weekly. Have a great week, guys.